Fireflies, or lightning bugs, are an interesting group of insects. They're actually beetles, not flies, and they belong to a family known as Lampyridae. They're well known for using bioluminescence through a protein called luciferin, and they illuminate themselves to locate mates or sometimes even attract food. The larvae are generally beneficial predators of other insects and pests, going after things like snails, and the adults are either pollinators or non-feeding. And sometimes you can even find some adults that will perform a kind of mimicry, where they will attract different firefly species to themselves to use as food by pretending to be a potential mate. If you're planting green, that means they have a great environment for adults to start their mating activities, which is probably how you might notice them in certain kinds of cropping systems in the first place. They overwinter in soil, so if you're also using a system that involves no-till practices, you're going to find that the fireflies are going to come back very easily because their population has been preserved. They've been able to survive in the soil very well. I would especially expect them to be around if you have fields that are associated with healthy woodlots or forests. Fireflies are what we call an edge species. They cross those habitat lines very easy into meadows and gardens and right at the edges of woodlands, so you would find them probably pretty actively in those areas.
Insecticides applied to the soil either directly in home and garden applications or onto seeds, as in the case of neonicotinoid-treated crop seeds, present potential hazards for fireflies and the organisms they feed upon.